Hey y'all, Kayla Mowdy, Doctor of Physical Therapy here with your Monday educational moment. Today I'm going to talk about neuroplasticity. I wasn't sure what I was going to talk about when I went on my run this morning, and God kind of laid this on my heart. And also an event last week with a patient. I had a patient who gave me their med list, and at the bottom they had out beside it like which each one is for. And the bottom one said brain activity. I was like, "What's this?" And she's like, "Yeah, I told my doctor I was having trouble remembering things, and he gave me this medicine for brain activity." And so I followed up with some questions. What else did he tell you about that? Are you doing any kind of learning activities or puzzle books or anything that challenges your brain on a daily basis? And her response was, "No, I just watch TV most of the day, and then I take this pill." And so that kind of bothered me. We talked a lot about things you could do. Taking a walk increases the blood flow to the brain. Puzzle books, there's some apps on the phone. Quiz Up is my favorite, and there's also Elevate and Luminosity that I've used every now and then. They're like games, but they do challenge you to critically think and think ahead and look at some different possibilities that fire some areas of the brain that don't get fired when you're just watching TV or going about monotonous daily tasks that you do every day. So use it or lose it is kind of the principle there. If you're not using it, you can't expect it to perform well when you do use it. So anything that challenges your mind, finding a new hobby or learning a new skill, there's lots of things, or a new skill towards a hobby that you have already. Doing research on that fires some areas of the brain that aren't always used with our pre-programmed daily tasks. With all this, I'm not saying that people who end up with memory problems did not use their brain. I know some extremely intelligent people who have ended up with dementia or other neurodegenerative disorders. That's a whole nother chemical process going on, but I do encourage you, just for those daily tasks when you feel like your mind isn't firing well, this may be because you haven't challenged it, haven't made it grow. The brain is not a muscle, but it kind of works like a muscle. If things aren't making good connections on a daily frequent basis, then they're going to be a little slower. So I hope that y'all relate to this topic and can find something to work on to better yourself and your firing neurons, and learn a new skill. And y'all let me know how it goes. Anybody that's watching this, I want y'all to give me some input too. So comment below on what you are having trouble with your mind firing and what you plan on doing about it. Have a good Monday. Bye.